Welcome to our PowerFX series. Today, we're talking about the division operator, the forward slash. It's easy to use and makes division simple. You can use it to divide values, calculate ratios, and even work with percentages. So let's take a look at an example. Imagine you have two numbers, 8 and 2. Using the division operator, 8 divided by 2 equals 4. That's easy math, but this operator is also perfect when you need to break things into parts or calculate proportional values. In PowerApps, division is great for scenarios like splitting totals. If users enter a total price and the number of items in two text inputs, you'd write value total price input dot text / value item count input dot text. This divides the total price by the number of items to calculate the price per item. You can also use division for percentages, like finding a percentage share by dividing one value by another and multiplying by 100. Now, over in Copilot Studio, let's say you're working with variables. You've created one called total revenue. If you want to calculate the average revenue per day over a week, you could use total revenue / 7. Copilot can suggest expressions like this, but knowing how division works helps you fine-tune and debug them when needed. And that's the power of the division operator. Whether you're calculating ratios, splitting values, or working with averages, it's an essential tool in PowerFX. If this video has helped, consider hitting those like and subscribe buttons to help the channel grow.